yeah, this is another session where we'll be demonstrating the installation of ZAP proxy on Linux operating system. Then we are also going to configure our proxy to intercept using the local host address on Mozilla Firefox, which can pre-installed on the Kali Linux. And we are going to be using the same Fossy project, the plugin for Firefox, to carry out this demonstration. Yeah, let's go into the business. Okay, I open in my terminal. Let me actually make this bigger. I open my terminal and okay, so I said sudo apt update to upgrade this to update the repo. Let's update the packages. Okay, it's important we upgrade and update the packages so that we can see what we're doing. Okay, now our package is up to date. Let's clear this off. Clips our terminal tidy. So to install the ZAP project, let's check if we have it there first. Can you see it's not there? It's not there. We don't have ZAP project. So let's just say ZAP project and say. So now to install, it said not found but can be installed with sudo apt install ZAP project. It's asking me if I want to install it. Yes, of course I want to install it, right? I can put in here. I want to install it. It's going to install the ZAP project. So okay. Let's install the ZAP project quickly. Okay, as that is ongoing, let us open our Mozilla Firefox and also let's use one stone to kill two birds. So let's quickly open our Firefox and then see. Let this continue here. Let this continue here. Stay here. Okay. So on our Firefox, you click on the plugin. This, but if you can't find it, you just go here and go to extension and theme. Then you see plugins there. Okay. So you look for Fossy Proxy. Fossy Proxy. Let's download Fossy Proxy. Okay, there is a, so you click on the standard, you download the standard, and you add it to Firefox. Okay, add it to Firefox. Please ensure that this box is checked. So in addition, also check this box, pin to taskbar, toolbar rather, so that it can appear here. You can easily pick it up here, right? Okay, so our ZAP is also installing, 20% done. Okay, let's give some time. Okay, I think we are done. We're done with that. Let's clear this up. Let's check. I think it should appear. Okay, now we have ZAP project installed, right? So you can pick it from here or simply launch it here from the terminal. Just type ZAP project and it opens up. So now, as that is ongoing, okay, let's do it step at a time so that we can follow through. So now we are loading it. We are loading it and let it open up. So in the previous demonstration, I didn't go through the download on Windows because I already downloaded it and it's seamless. It's something that you can easily follow through compared to the Linux operating system, which is complex. So once you navigate to the for Windows, go to the official site for the ZAP proxy and download. Then it actually requires a dependency, which is the GRE, the runtime for the Java. So you have to download version 17. That's the requirement. So once you download version 17 of the GRE, then you install that first. Leave it at default settings. Just click next, follow, rest, and through. Then for the installation of the ZAP proxy, also you do the same. Just leave it at default settings and do the installation. So for this demonstration, I'm actually going to not to want to persist the session. You know, it's actually a demonstration, right? So you click on start and click on start. You have your interface just this way, right? Okay, then say these are the installed packages, and you can quickly update it. So if you are not seeing the update button, you just maximize your page, and you will see it right below it. Just click on update all. So let's wait for it to update. So as that is going, you can look at the instance like this. Okay, we have the free window, we have the workspace, and we have the footer bar and the rest. We have done this earlier, so I don't go into it. So we see our main process on the local host. You are communicating on port 8080 by default. That's where ZAP proxy is communicating. So okay, our package is still downloading. Let me see it. Yeah, it's still downloading, but we can still go through other process. So you go to your tools, you go to your option. We need to download the certificate, right? So that we can import it to our browser, yeah, so that they can trust each other. So you go to network. On network, you go to server certificate, not client, right? The same process with the Windows. So you save it. So now you save this guy. Let me just save it on the desktop. I save it on desktop, right? I save it on desktop. Okay. For now, let's leave this. We won't be doing it right now. So we go to this guy here. Then we click on it. Can you see it's disabled, and our ZAP is not configured yet. So to configure that ZAP, you go to option and you go to process and you add. Remember, when you are adding, okay, let's give it a name, ZAP proxy, right? Then let's the host name could be localhost, or you just type in your localhost IP, right? And the port, do not forget to put in the port 8080, isn't it? So we are HTTP, that's the protocol we are using, right? So you click on save. Then you click on save. You can close that page. Then go to your settings. Go to your settings. In your settings, go down to your network settings. In your network settings, then you have to configure manually. Then don't forget that we are using our local host, then 80, right? Then check this box and click on OK. Click on OK, right? We have done that. Then we need to import the certificate. The certificate we downloaded earlier. Just search for certificate here, and easily you can get to it. Then go to import. Import, I save it at desktop, right? Okay, this is it. Just click on it and check these two boxes. Click on OK. Then we have successfully imported our certificate into our browser. Okay, so let's check. Okay, that can go on the background. Okay, so now when we are done with that, so we need to activate. Can you see now that we have a ZAP proxy here? You just click on it. You click on it, and yeah, it's activated. Can you see it's using the same port to communicate, right? localhost and 8080, the same as what we have here. So that is done. Then let's visit the site, test p. I can't remember that the site. Okay, test php dot vulnweb.com. So let's visit this site. Okay, immediately we visit the site, can you see it appears here? It started crawling. So now that we have intercepted the session, so it's crawling through here in our tree window. You can see that, okay, it's there. Can you see it? You can see everything is there. You can go through, you can check through, you can check alert to know what is actually wrong with that particular site. And then the request bar, in the responses, you can go through. We have had this section earlier, so this is just like a repeat of what we have done. And for some people that might have issue installing ZAP on their Linux or configuring their web browser. So when that is done, one more thing I like to show us is that, okay, let's go back to the browser and quickly sign up. Signing up, just like we demonstrated on the use test, and we also use test, right? It's test and test, right? That's what you have to use. Just click on login. So I don't want to see it now. So now, then also let's update this, right? Fine. So now we come here and we see our login details. You come here, you see your login details. This request, this is a post request, and this is a get. So you see here, that, okay, in our request, in our post, you see our username and password in plain text, and you can also see our details. Like this, the details for the demonstration. This is what we have there. So we have successfully configured our browser to intercept browsers using the Fuzzy Browser add-on on Mozilla, and we configured like the localhost on our browsers, and also configured the localhost on the ZAP browser. And that will be the end of this demonstration. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask on the platform. We'll definitely reach out to you. Oh, thank you.